going to be vast amounts of information in a virtual data room. And what the AI can do is it can help you find some of the stuff you really care about where you need to be paying attention. So, for example, one thing we've got lots of experience with is helping find important parts of contracts in a virtual data room, right? Like one thing that's super critical if you're buying a company is knowing if they have any contracts that have exclusivity or non-compete or non-solicitation or most favored customer obligations in them. And it can be really hard to find those. Like those can be buried. They may not be in one of the sort of top 10 most material contracts. And what the AI can do is it can review certainly the top 10 contracts, but also like the 1,000 other contracts that are in there and help you process that massive volume to find like those restrictive covenants or things like change of control and assignment. So it can help with that. And finally, it can help you deal with what comes after, help you, like some of this wouldn't even be the most sophisticated technology, but one thing you'd need to do as a lawyer after you've found these contracts is like you actually have to send notice or get consent from counterparties, and forms of AI can help you generate those documents. They obviously can't sign off for the other party on them, but they can help you put that stuff together. So I think there's a lot of manual, tedious work that goes into setting up a virtual data room, as well as helping people process through the virtual data room that AI can help you with. And I think it's kind of exciting because it can accelerate some pretty miserable parts of the process. I think it can also help you answer questions about what's in the virtual data room too. And I think that's helps accelerate a pretty miserable process, but also helps you spot stuff that you just might not be able to if you weren't using AI.